Let me start recording. Sri Guru Pyo Namaha. Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Today's topic is Inflay Pro and Systematic Investment Plan. Inflay Pro and SIP in particular. It is daily SIP of Paytm Money app. To start with, let us have 200 rupees per day scheme for 30 years, and the maturity or the harvest is 5.43 crore. Disclaimer. I am Brahmadesham Narsimha Venkataraman. This video presentation is for information, educational and estimation purposes only, and not to recommend buy or sell, invest or redeem your funds. Every investment has its own associated risks, and without knowing the risk, don't invest. I am neither an agent, nor a broker, nor an advisor, simply an analyst with computer background. Before going into the video, let us see what is mutual fund. A mutual fund is an investment product where a professional fund manager pools money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of securities like stocks and bonds. This approach provides investors with professional management and diversification, making investing a broader range of assets more accessible even with small sums of money. The fund's value or net asset value is calculated daily based on the performance of underlying assets. How mutual fund works? Pooling money. An asset management company, AMC, gathers capital from numerous investors, either directly or through brokers, to create a collective investment fund. Professional management. This pool of money is managed by a professional fund manager who invests it in the various securities such as stocks, bonds and other financial assets according to the fund's pre-stated investment objectives. Units of ownership. Investors buy units of mutual fund with each unit representing a proportional share of the fund's total holdings. Net asset value, NAV. The fund's performance is reflected in the daily net asset value, which is determined by the total value of assets divided by the number of outstanding units. Key benefits of mutual fund. Diversification. The fund spreads across a wide range of securities, reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Professional management provides access to expert fund managers who handle investment decisions. Affordability allows individuals to invest in a diversified portfolio with small amounts of money. Transparency. Investors can track the fund's holdings and performance. Liquidity offers easy access to your invested funds as you usually buy or sell units on most business days subject to exit load. Direct and regular schemes. One can invest in mutual funds directly with the AMC of the respective fund or through their registered transfer agents. There are only two registered transfer agents in India for mutual funds. They are KFin Tech and CAMS. Of course, there are as much as 49 AMCs in India. For example, Tata Mutual Fund has AMC of Tata Mutual Fund. with website tatamutualfund.com. Some AMCs have their mobile app also. Some AMCs have their mobile apps also. Example is Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund. When an investor has login with the AMC or RTA, the investor can opt for direct schemes. When an investor invests through brokers, he can do in regular scheme. Some brokers like Crore offers both direct and regular schemes. In the direct, they forego the standard commission offered by the regular scheme. Expense ratio. Other relevant factors to mutual funds continue. Expense ratio. The AMC incurs admin and fund manager salary and perks, and also maybe some are different, same or different for regular schemes. For index funds, the expense ratio is very small. In regular scheme, the commission is offered to the brokers who are bringing in the investments. The peculiarity of commission is that the commission is the order of 1% of the fund value per annum on the date of the commission, whether the fund is gaining or losing in that year. Do not worry. The investor does not have to worry about these expense ratio or commission, as they worry only about the fund value or the NAV, which reflects the compounded annual growth rate, that is CAGR. The NAV declared is the net of all expenses and commission. Also, one should understand that the expense ratio for a well-managed fund may be higher and their CAGR may also be higher, worth taking the risk in both regular and direct schemes. As we are going to discuss daily SIP, at present, Better Money app is offering only direct schemes of some prominent, well-performing AMCs. Let us discuss with Better Money. Better Money takes zero commission and allows customers to go in for direct schemes. Therefore, it is interesting to know how they make up money for this 0% commission. Better Money generates profits on direct growth schemes by earning from their financial services such as margin trade funding and other fees on trading products, as they offer these commission-free direct plans to investors who are also trading on their platform. The company's revenue also comes from merchant transaction fee and subscription services, which funds the zero commission mutual fund offering. Additionally, Better Money acts as a platform providing its services to multiple fund houses and leverages partnerships for growth. Moreover, the investor, on seeing the performance of mutual fund investments, they are tempted to get into the stock market with the broker's help, and Better earns through commission. Thus, direct scheme is just a sales promotion activity. SIP is nothing but systematic investment plan, investing fixed same amount at regular disciplined periodical manner. Even though many calculators are available for finding the maturity for the desired fixed SIP, the author BNV's calculator specializes in inflow pro way with annual step up. The author proposes SIP, that is Systematic Inflow Pro Investment Plan. Yet, somewhere I call it as SIP or SIP with step up. In the following, the anticipated return of 12% per annum daily or 12.747% CAGR is considered. In the SIP fixed option, if one starts investing 30 years at rupees 201 per daily, a fixed one gets around 2.18 crore. But with SIP with annual step up 10%, if one starts investing 30 years, 200 rupees daily, step up 10%, one gets around 5.43 crore, about 2.5 times the maturity. Speciality of BNB's calculator. With necessary parameters given, the maturity value given, the SIP installment amount can be calculated with BNB's calculator and vice versa. The annual step up can be compounded percentage, universal one, or can be simple percentage, which is percentage of first installment and constant throughout, or in constant increment and in further years. The annual step up can be a fixed sum of rupees. Instead of percentages, a sum of rupees also can be specified as the annual step up. That increment sum is constant. Let us come to the main point of our daily SIP. Daily SIP in Peta Money app given for 21 rupees or 51 rupees, 101 rupees, 150 rupees, 201 rupees, 501 rupees. Let us consider for a period of 30 years, the maturity becomes 22 lakhs for 21 rupees, 55 lakhs for 51 rupees, 1.09 crore for 101 rupees, 1.63 crore for 150 rupees, 2.17 crore for 201 rupees daily, and 5.42 crore for 501 rupees. Now let us consider BNB's step up daily SIP. We have got a daily SIP of 21. For 30 years, 10% step up, the maturity is now goes to 56.73 lakhs, which is about 2.5 times the previous one without step up. And the present equivalent money of this 56 lakh rupees of after 30 years is equivalent to 9.87 lakh rupees of current value. Likewise, 51 rupees, the maturity value is 1.37 crore. For 101, the maturity value is 2.73 crore. For 150 rupees daily with step up 10%, it's 4.08 crore. For 201 rupees, it's 5.43 crore. And 501 rupees, 13.53 crore. And the corresponding present equivalent day value of this 13 crore is 2.36 crore. In all this, the maturity becomes 2.5 times than the fixed maturity amount. I request viewers to subscribe, like, share to like-minded people. The total deposit of 201 rupees daily step up, 10% works out to 1.21 crore with a maturity value of 5.43 crore. The summary is explained here at this page. The PDF file of the full details of this scheme of 201 rupees can be viewed downloaded from the following link: bnvenkat.com/video/inflowpro and SIP.pdf. Link is available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Let me close the video. Thanks for watching.